Hello, Daniel Yuck here. Thank you for tuning in today. I appreciate you. In today's video, I want to show you an up-close view and a side-by-side comparison of the new updated CNC Q2 Terminator and the old original first CNC Q2 Tattoo Machine. Should you have any questions at any point throughout this video, I'm going to highly encourage you to drop a comment down below. I will do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. I will leave links for you in the description below so you can check out these machines on your end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and ring my bell, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I also do have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate your support over there as well. If you enjoy my channel and find my content helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as we would truly appreciate your support. With that being said, let's get right on into this. Here we have a side-by-side comparison of the CNC Q2. On the left is the CNC Q2 Terminator. This is the updated CNC Q2 Tattoo Machine. On the right we have the old first CNC Q2 that I ever purchased. So this is the first CNC Q2 Tattoo Machine that CNC did release. As you can see, in terms of length, they are almost identical in length. However, what does vary is the width. The Terminator, the new updated CNC Q2s, are just a little bit fatter over the original. So the originals are a little bit thinner. You can see that here as well, but not by a lot, at all. And the design, you can see, is still the same. The entire machine does disassemble. Here is the motor housing, the body, and the grip. Both of them are click grip as well. I did do a full in-depth review on this machine. Be sure to check that out. So it is awesome to be doing an updated review on the new CNC Q2 Terminator. I'll also bring another review on the new just updated CNC Q2, not this version but the black version. Disassembling the Q2s is going to be the exact same for both. Here we have a side-by-side comparison of the CNC Q2 broken down in its entirety. Both of the CNC Q2s have the motor housing up here with the RCA input. Both of them have the bodies as well as the grips. Again, the only real difference is that the original first CNC Q2 is a tad bit smaller in terms of width, but in terms of length, they're identical in length. We can see some other differences within the motor. So this was the first original motor right here, and this is the new updated motor. Allow me to place these out and zoom in so that we can get a better angle and take a better look at these motors. Here we have the motor housings, and here's a close-up look at them. Both of these motors are Fall Harbor motors, so even the original old CNC Q2 does have a Fall Harbor motor. Allow me to kind of show you the differences here, so that way you can see that close up. One thing that I am noticing is that the new updated CNC Q2, the Terminator version, has a plastic housing around the motor, and this one doesn't. And this one has red wires and this one has black wires, but I don't really think that would matter much. But that's one big difference that I am noticing, is this plastic housing right here, and it can be removed with these screws right there. I will also make another video showing you how I change out these cams, but for now I want to show you the old motor versus the new motor. And the old motor right here, as you can see, is stamped with Fall Harbor right there, as well as the new one in the back right there. So they're almost the same, but this one, it just has a plastic housing, where the old one, if I'm correct, that's holding together with glue. So I think the old version, the original CNC Q2, is just held together with glue, and this new one has a plastic housing. The plastic housing does seem a lot more stable and make a lot more sense, so I do like the update there. Here is a profile view. Here is a back view of the motors. Here's a profile view this way. And here is a top view of the motors themselves. For those who are wanting to see the top right here, this is the top of them. And that's the new version and the old version here. Here's a close-up look at the bodies here, and again, this one's the original first CNC Q2 that I picked up, and on the left right here is the updated CNC Q2 Terminator. And at first glance, you can tell that the CNC Q2 Terminator is a bit bigger than my first CNC, the older CNC Q2, and so much so that you can see the CNC Q2 actually fits in there. But for those who want to see this thoroughly, if you're looking to invest, then this video may be perfect for you. So that way you can see everything. If you have any questions, drop them down below. I will do my best to assist you in the best possible direction. And here is the grip. The same thing applies to the grip. You can see that it is larger than this right here. And again, the left is the new CNC Q2 Terminator, and this is my first CNC Q2 grip on the right. There you have it. Those are some of the major differences with the Q2 tattoo machines. This is the old tattoo machine, this is the new. Let me relay some experiences here from me to you to conclude this video. I have used the original Q2 considerably more since I've had this one since the beginning of my tattooing journey. However, as time goes on, I will be using this one, and I will be able to update you all with more insight along the way. Both of these machines perform on multiple fronts. Both of them can do pretty much the same thing. I do feel like the new updated CNC Q2 is a bit more streamlined and a lot more smoother in my opinion. Now, I think that that comes from the new plastic housing here that holds the motor to this part of the tattoo machine, as well as the width of the new Q2. So those little changes I do feel provide a more streamlined, smoother workflow. Not that this one didn't, it's just it definitely does feel different with that update. But they are both completely capable of great things. That is how I personally feel about these tattoo machines. One thing that I also loved is that they did keep the designs the same throughout both. All they did was update that part of the machine, which is fantastic. Now that would be it from me to you. However, if you have any questions at all, I encourage you to drop a comment down below. I'm going to do my absolute best to assist you in the best possible direction. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for me and ring that bell, as I'm going to be bringing more videos like this for you all. I do also have social medias under the same name as this YouTube channel. I would truly appreciate your support over there as well. If you enjoy my channel and find my content helpful, consider becoming a Patreon or sending over a super thanks, as I would truly appreciate your support. With that being said, thank you for your time. I appreciate you tuning in. You have a great day.